In this video, we will just go through everything we did so far in this CSS visual roles section. And we got the pop-up message saying that we earned an achievement, lesson completed, CSS visual roles. Review visual roles, incredible work. You used CSS to alter text and images throughout a website. Throughout this lesson, you learn concepts including CSS declarations are structured into property and value pairs. The font family property defines the typeface of an element. Font size controls the size of text displayed. Font weight defines how thin or thick text is displayed. The text align property places text in the left, right, or center of its parent container. Text can have two different color attributes, color and background color. Color defines the color of the text, while background color defines the color behind the text. CSS can make an element transparent with the opacity property. CSS can also set the background of an element to an image with the background image property. The important flag will override any style. However, it should almost never be used, as it is extremely difficult to override. Okay, feel free to experiment with the code and see what other changes you can make. If you want to see how to incorporate CSS visual roles in a project, watch the video below and follow along with one of our experts. Okay guys, I will leave you the link to this video in the description. I won't play this video right now, just I don't get strikes for copyrights. This should be all for this section. Let's proceed. And we got the pop-up message saying we did it. Great job finishing that lesson. Keep going. And now, yes, we will have another quiz called CSS Visual Roles. So let's get started with the quiz game.